and welcome to another episode of Key Cakes and Arts, and today we're gonna be caking. We're gonna make this cute springtime sheet cake or Easter themed if you celebrate Easter. It's got lots of different colors, it's got sprinkles and butterflies. It's really cute and fun, so if you'd like to know how I made it, just keep watching. Okay guys, so for this cake you're gonna need your cake layers, your 4 different colored icings, your piping bag, bread knife, these piping tips, and all your different color sprinkles you'll be using. I'm not going to be doing too much talking this time because I don't feel like it, so voiceover me is probably going to take this one, but I'll explain and talk to y'all every now and then, and we'll go back and forth. Me and Harold, we'll talk. Well, I don't know, I'll see if she lets me talk or not, because this me and voiceover slash editor me, she's mean, so she may not let me talk. You are absolutely right, Chef Key. I am mean to you because you talk way too much and I have to edit around all that talking. So no, you will not be talking in this video. Now back to the tutorial. So right now I am cutting all the caramelization off the cakes. I'm doing the vanilla cake right now, and then you'll see me switch over and do the same thing for the red velvet cake. Alright, so now that I've got all of the caramelization off, I am going to go in with my ruler and just measure how long the cake is and try to find the middle as possible and cut it down and stack it on top of each other. And I'll do the same thing for the vanilla cake as well. Alright, so now that the cakes are cut, I'm going to put some icing on the board to use to stick it, and we're going in with our simple syrup, and we're going to make sure we cover these cakes pretty well just because I have been working with them out for a while and I don't want them to dry out while I'm decorating. And I'm going to do my little dancey dance as usual. Okay, so now I'm just lining the cakes up together with each layer next to each other and just filling it. I filled it with cream cheese icing, I believe. Yeah, I filled it with cream cheese icing just because I know that cream cheese usually goes with red velvet, and I wasn't going to be able to cover this cake in cream cheese because it's too sloppy of a icing to do that with. And now I'm getting ready for my crumb coat. Well, I guess I'm not getting ready for it. I'm doing it. Well, she's doing it. I don't know. So after I'm finished with the crumb coat, I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes and then go in with my all white icing and use it to cover the entire thing. Alright, so right here I had to take a little break. It was really hot, so I just jammed out to some music till I cooled myself down and got right back into it. I didn't show you guys how to ice a rectangle or square cake yet, but it's the same concept as doing a circle one for the most part. So if you'd like to, I do have a tutorial on my channel that shows you how to completely, perfectly cover a cake. So just refer back to that if you would like to recreate this cake. Alright, so now our cake is perfectly iced. Now it's time to move on to decorating, and I'm going to move you guys up a little closer. So there's not too much to say in this process outside of I'm just going in with all those different colors using random tips that I showed you guys in the beginning. I did put green on here. I end up adding green. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that. You'll see it right now. There's the green. Yeah, sorry about that, but you can still get the point. So right now I'm just switching between colors and piping tips and just randomly adding different type of swirls and designs on it. You can do this however you want. There's really no rhyme or reason. You just want to make sure your entire border is covered with all types of colors and designs. Alright, so now it's done. How cute. So now to my favorite part, sprinkles. I hate eating sprinkles, but I love putting them on things. So I use quite a few varieties of sprinkles. I didn't use a bunch of them, but I did use a bunch of different ones. And as you see now, I'm going in with my tweezers to individually put the pearl sprinkles on, just because I don't like putting them on in bulk because they can be very, very hard to chew. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with these purple edible butterflies. I got them off Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can make them yourself if you do have an edible printer. So at this point our cake is done, and I'm just going to clean the board up to make it look nice and pretty. And I'll hand it back over to on camera Kiara. Alright guys, so we are finally done with our spring themed sheet cake. It came out super cute. I mean, I'm just really loving these butterflies. Those were the perfect touch. I kind of decided to add them on at the last minute. The sides are still plain. If you want to add some piping around the edges or some sprinkles or whatever, you definitely can. I personally didn't because I'm too lazy and I didn't feel like making any more icing or doing it. I just didn't want to. So you don't have to either. You can leave it plain. You can add a border. It's all up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so thankfully we do have a clip of next week's video. I'll see you guys next week. Love, peace, and hair grease. Queen Latifah, give me the strength. It's giving applesauce. It's curvy.